video, I will share with you about this fun matching game activity, which is bag numbers. So this game consists of clothes bag that have numbers on them, as well as this ice cream stick that also have numbers on them that we need to match them together. And this game, we can do it ourselves at our home. So how to play with that, I will share with you next, as well as the benefits. So stay tuned. First of all, the suitable age to play with this game is 2 years and above. So how to play with them? Firstly, we take out all the clothes bag from the ice cream stick. Then we place the ice cream stick on our children's left hand. As you can see here, there's some space here so we can hold them over here. Then we give the clothes bag to our children one by one, starting with number 1. Then we ask them to match the number here with the number on the ice cream stick. So please be reminded, they have to pick up the clothes bag with tripod finger 1, 2, 3 and pinch it and place them with tripod finger until the end. So we can continue to match the number until it's completed. So this one, number 2. So I match them together. So number 2, where's number 3? Over here. Next one, number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And lastly, number 10. So this is how you play the bag numbers matching game. So next, I will continue with their bag matching game activity. Will help with children essential skills such as improving their cognitive ability, for example, visual memory, short-term memory, as well as pattern recognition. Secondly, this is a fun way to learn basic concepts such as numbers or even colors or letters. And lastly, while playing the game, it will also help improve children's fine motor skill. For example, they will need to use tripod finger. So this tripod finger will help with their daily living activity. For example, when they dress up or even eat their food, they will need to use tripod finger to pick up the button or even use their fork or spoon. So that's all from me, and thank you for watching.